Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Hollyland C1 SOLIDCOM headset. Now I was drawn to use these actually by another YouTuber called Justin Phillip. You really should check out his channel if you're interested in filmmaking. Creativity together. Some stickers. Ah, what's this? This looks like a charging station. And here are the headsets. Okay, there they are. This looks like it's going to go down like that. Look there. Well, let's see which is the master set. They smell very new and plasticky in a good way. Aha, red. We have the red one. Why don't we try switching them on? There's a USB cable there. Ah, there's the on switch. What's in here? Aha, that's cool. Some spare headsets, charging cables, something for the battery charger, some little accessories. Okay, yeah, that's useful to have. Okay, so these appear to be this little battery. Oh, there we go, it just pops open like that. Little arrow there. Boom, Bob's your uncle. So the battery is here. The power button's on the other side, so I'm assuming it gets over there. Let's try. Oh, there's a little green light on there, look.
Connection succeeded.
Connection succeeded. I think it means succeeded. Oh, and I can already hear this in my headset. 1, 2. Let's go here. That's actually very good. That's a real whisper level. So I wonder how I could get that sound. But it sounds like someone just whispering in my ear. So if I put the earpiece right up to the Sennheiser there. There, how does that sound? This is now right close to the mic. Bring this mic in. You see that? There we go. There's the mic. I'm going to put this earpiece right close to the Sennheiser like that. Like that. Then I'm going to talk into this one. How does that sound? 3, 2, 1. Going live. Camera 2. Could you get a close-up on the clarinetist? 3, 2, 1. And you're live. I'm curious to see how that sounds. Maybe I put this too close. A lot of S's. So yeah, that's how does that sound? That's the SOLIDCOM. Great product. This is not a sponsored video, but we're going to try these out and see how they go. Thanks for joining.